Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to do the TCore gift code today, 8 August. We are going to do it together, and if you have not started mining this project, I'll also attach the link in the video description. And if you want to be getting first hand gift code every day, do well to join our WhatsApp group for more updates, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. So we are going to do the gift card together. So now you click on your hash key. Okay, I still have 1 hour left. To get the hash keys. So I'll check the gift card. I'll attach it here in the video description. So I'm going to paste it. Now you click on confirm, and automatically you are going to earn 10 TCore to your balance. So if you want to be getting the 10 TCore gift code every day, do well to join our WhatsApp group. Now you can now check look at what they say there. Each gift code is valid for 24 hours only, so make sure you use this code before it expires. So do not wait for it to expire, make sure you use it. Now you check the task section. You can perform any task you want to do. You check your referral, your bonus. So for those people that are asking me if this project is actually genuine, right now they are genuine until proven otherwise. They have not requested for anything, unless when they ask us not to pay certain amount before we can withdraw. That is when we'll start checking again the foundation to know if it is actually real. But right now, keep mining, be positive, do your task, use the daily code every day to earn more points. This project might cook. The mainnet launch is happening very soon, so you need to take advantage of it. Do not be a doubting Thomas. Do what others are doing and be positive in all.